We have the largest caliber rifles I have here that I own. A 50 BMG, the 577 Tyrannosaur, 460 Weatherby Magnum, 458 Lott, and a 4570 and a 338 Lapua. This is an AR-30. It has a 26-inch barrel, the muzzle brake on it, 5-shot single stack mag, and I put a BSA 6 to 24 30mm scope on. That's the 338 Lapua. This is a 4570 Buffalo Classic single shot, 32-inch barrel. It's got a peep sight and a globe front sight. I had to put 2 pencils in because they break on a single pencil. This is my CZ 458 Lott. Also shoots 458 Win Mag. That is a 5-shot magazine. It's got a 100, 200, and a 300 leaf yard, and a covered front sight. That's a starter gun when people want to shoot the big stuff. 460 Weatherby Magnum. That's a 58-degree throw bolt. $100 Bushnell scope. On my other videos, this is the one that would always hit the kid in the eye because he wouldn't hold his face far enough away. But with the muzzle brake, it's not too bad. I take it off for the cocky people. And then the Tyrannosaur. This is my latest acquisition. I figured I'd never get to shoot one if I didn't buy it myself, so I ponied up the $5,000 and ordered it. There's the muzzle. It's as big as a 20 gauge. It's a 26-inch barrel. Let me get in on the Tyrannosaur. It's the Hannibal model. It's the only one to make in 577. It's got 3 mercury recoil reducers, 2 in the fore end. No, 2 in the butt end, and 1 up in the fore end. It's a P17 action. And it's over 13 pounds. It's the AR-50. With a loophole 8.5 to 25 scope, 30mm. Oh man, did we even get to this? But that's a 32-inch barrel. And the recoil it's negligible because of the huge muzzle brake. It's like sticking your head out of the car for a second when you're driving down the road when it goes off. And here's the bullets for comparison. BMG. This is a 1200 grain 577 bullet. There's the T-Rex with the 1200 grain bullet in it that I cast myself. There's a 750 Barnes, 460 Weatherby, which I thought was pretty big. until I saw that. That's the 458 Lott, the 4570, 338 Lapua, 308, and 223 for comparison.